Hi everyone, this is your coach Gagandeep Sidhu. I welcome you all on the Vidyadaan platform. I am so happy, amazed, and humbled to be part of this initiative. And in fact, I feel quite obliged to be sharing my knowledge with all you wonderful people. And I thank again the team of Vidyadaan, the Subhash Ghai sir, because they have taken this great initiative to impart knowledge. And I definitely resonate that knowledge is the real wealth. And the good part about this knowledge is that this increases when we share this knowledge. And that's why I got this opportunity to be part of Vidyadaan project. And here I am today to take up my first session with you guys. And quite excited and happy. So we're going to talk about few things. I know this is a lockdown period, and in fact after the lockdown period the things we're going to talk about they're going to definitely help you. Okay, so I will introduce myself before I start ahead with the today's topic, and so that I can have interactions with you in the comments or later sections. You can write to me also. So I'll quickly introduce myself. I am myself Gagandeep Sidhu. I am a life mindset coach, an author, a public speaker, and and of course I am an influencer. Along with that, I am also working as into senior leadership role of an MNC. So I understand the challenges, the journey of a corporate people. For example, students like you who are just building and roaring to go for their careers to start, right? So I'm going to pass that information. So I have total 15 years of experience in corporate. I've worked with various big MNCs, and I'm working into the vice president role right now into digital robotics. I have truly believed that leadership is not a crown, it's a responsibility. And for all you young listeners who are listening to me today, this is about creating a better person out of yourself. And leadership doesn't have a designation. It doesn't come with that you are in some designation, only then you have to have leadership skills. Today, right now, being a student also, you can be a great leader, and few of you, I'm sure you are already great leaders, right? So try and be a great leader rather than being a great manager. Okay, so of course, as I said, I am working as a life coach and a mindset coach. In fact, this is my ikigai. I found my passion purpose a couple of years back. And today I have a website which is called positiveminds.co.in, and I am also known as Vitamin G. So Vitamin G is basically the idea which came into the picture because for our physical health we take a lot of multivitamins and supplements, right? You all do. All the gym lovers must be doing that already, and all the old age people also do that. But as we take multivitamins for our healthy body, you need to have vitamin G, which is for a daily dose of positivity, right? In any sphere of life, in anything you want to achieve, you need to start with the positive intent, right? And if you start being positive every day, your life starts to change miraculously well, right? So let's go and get on with it. Okay, so that's about me. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, Life Coach Gagan Sidhu, or type Vitamin G on Instagram or YouTube or any other platforms. I will be happy to take your questions and respond back to you in case you're looking for some inspiration and some guidance. That's the reason I'm here on this platform, so that I can share my journey, my knowledge, and impart it to you guys. Okay, so grab your pen and paper, because for next 10 minutes we're gonna talk about few things which are going to make your dreams come true. Okay, so it is a thing that many people tell us that dreams don't come true, and I partially agree with them. Okay, dreams will not come true. You have to make them come true, right? They don't come true on their own. And if you keep your dream as a dream, there's a lesser probability that it will come true, right? I hope you all of you agree. I'll give you an explanation. Okay, so I'm a huge fan of Tony Robbins, and you say Robert Kiyosaki, Warren Buffett, Bill Gates. All these great leaders have one thing very common: they they made their dreams their goals. Listen to me again. They converted their dreams into goals. Okay? So when you convert your dreams into goals, you are empowering them to be realistic. Okay? For example, let me give an example. That as a child, I dreamed of becoming a pilot, for example, or I dreamed of becoming a millionaire. So if that I keep that as dream, it is not going to surface out of, there's no genie, there's no Aladdin, though I'm a law of attraction expert, but of course it also takes action, right? You need to take action. So convert your dreams into goals. For example, you want to build a six-pack app, that's your dream, that once in life I have to have six-pack app. You have to convert that dream into goal. And once you convert that dream into goal, you have to ignite it with your hard work. You have to ignite it with your passion. You have to fuel it with gratitude. You have to fuel it with passion. Otherwise, this is not going to work. All right. So take down pen and paper, write 20 things that you want to do in life. Forget about how and when right now. Think of 20 things you want to do in life. Okay. So once you have done that activity, okay, convert them into goals. What are your short-term goals? What are your long-term goals? What are your medium-term goals? For example, coming back to the example, if you want to have six-pack abs or want to be a millionaire, you want to lose 20 kgs, that's your dream or goal. Convert that goal into three parts: long-term, medium-term, and short-term. By doing that, you're easing up your dream to come true in a real way. Right? If I tell you to directly climb a mountain or Himalayas, it's not going to happen. Nobody has ever done that, right? So that's where they convert those dreams of people who dream of going to Himalayas, and they convert into goals. They have base camps, right? So there is one level, second level, third level. I don't know how many levels are there, but they convert that dream into a goal that you need to, before going to the base camp also, you need to be fit, right? If today I decide that I want to climb Himalayas, I have to start preparing from today till 2 years, so that my stamina, my breathing, my health is good, right? I have adequate sufficient nutrition, which will help me become better. Okay, so convert that dream into goal, and goal into three types of it: long term, medium term, and short term. Okay. And once you convert that goal into goal, because it becomes easy also. Agar hum seedha we want to get onto the Himalayas, not going to happen. So when you convert those goals and celebrate those goals into short term, medium term, that you achieve this and next day. So it is also igniting your passion, your confidence that okay, if you have done this up to this level, you can go to the next stage and third stage and final stage. If you directly think of becoming a dream, we all tend to lose that confidence. Ki kaise hoga, right? So there's the path. This is a journey. And as I mentioned that I'm follower of many of the great leaders in this industry, and who are self-made billionaires. So there is a huge fact. One big fact I want to share with you guys is that there are 95% of the people who don't write their goals. Yes, that's true. It's a huge number, right? There are 95% people who don't write their goals, and 5% people who write their goals. 90% of them achieve their goals. That's a huge statistics. Think about it, because when you are writing that goal, you are putting that dream into action, and you are telling this whole universe and telling yourself and your subconscious mind that you're serious about achieving this goal. It is not just a dream, you want to achieve it, right? So this is big fact. So be in the first, get into that category, people who write their goals. Okay, so you might be young, you might be going through college right now or some bit of it. You can then ignite that dream and make it happen. Okay, so first of all, find your why. I'm just skipping it. Find your why this dream is important to you, why this goal is important to you. If why is there, you will not find passion. Okay. So write it across and convert it, shorten it as I mentioned, because that will help you achieve the following step, and then you can start using them in your life in a very wonderful way. Okay, so this is one part of it. Second thing is, since still you are young, you should invest in reading or online courses which help you enhance your knowledge about things you want to do in life, because the years ahead are coming, are very, very, very competitive. So right now, I know you, all of you are roaring to get into your jobs and college, back into it after the lockdown period. But yes, invest this time to write your goals, ignite them, and take actions that what needs to be done, what characteristics do you require to make those goals happen. Because what you are today will not help you achieve those dreams. You have to make changes in your attitude, in your confidence, in your communication, and so many other things which would be required. Yeah. So if some of you want to be an actor, some of you want to be into shooting, some of you may want to do a political career, right? So you have to make changes, adapt those skills over a period of time, and be patient with yourself. Because if you today decide a goal, you need to be practical about it. Okay, this is what I followed in my life, and the success I could achieve, and there's so many people who have achieved in. It seems that okay, in this short point of time, the success has come, but it's not the case. There's a lot of hard work which goes behind it. And as I say, there are no overnight successes. There are days, nights when people work hard, but what we only see is the outcome. All right. So this is the goal setting activity. Do that. Convert your dreams into goals. Why you want those goals, and then write them down and can break them into 3 stages: long term, medium term, and short term. That will help you achieve them and go for them practically. And I've given an example. If you directly want to go to Himalayas, it's not going to happen. Nobody has ever done that. Once you convert it, how you going to go that? In 1 year, I will pick up on my diet, eating patterns, workout. Second stage is I start practicing. Third stage, I'll go to the base camp, and then there are procedures to it. Okay, so I hope this is informative. But yes, do invest on yourself, that what you want to be and what will it require so that you become successful in what you do. Learn about that skill. Follow somebody who has already done that before. If you want to be a public speaker like me, if you want to be a life coach like me, if you want to be a leadership coach like me, follow me or follow somebody who has already done that before. Good part about success is it always leaves imprints. Yes, listen to that. Success always leaves imprints. It's just that you can follow their steps. You might have to, change your journey a bit. But if you can make sure you follow the same steps, which you might be already learning in your MBA or in your chartered accountancy or in your CAT exams or anywhere, you have to just replicate that success story with your hard work, consistency, and why. Okay, so I hope this helps, and please feel to reach out to me through the Vidyadaan platform, or you can follow me on my YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and directly write to me. I will respond back to you with your queries, and will try and help you as much as I can. And again, thank you to the Vidyadaan team, which has given me this opportunity to share my knowledge and experience. And I'm really obliged and humbled that I am on this platform and sharing my knowledge. Okay, so I assume you're home, you are safe, your families are well, and ignite your future. Okay, so this country needs you, this world needs you. Invest in yourself and make your dreams come true. Convert them into goals. All right, so this is your coach, life coach Gagandeep Sidhu signing off. Stay connected for a daily dose of positivity. This is Vitamin G signing off. Okay, thank you so much, and I shall see you very soon.